Let's get started, guys, and as usual I will leave all the ingredients in the description box down below. Now you're gonna get started by seasoning your chicken with a little bit of black pepper and some garlic pepper. You wanna be cautious but also generous at the same time, because the garlic pepper seasoning does have quite a bit of salt, so you want to be careful with that. That's why we're not gonna add any other salt into this dish. I'm gonna go ahead and marinate and set aside. Then in your pot or pan, you're gonna go ahead and add your olive oil and fry the chicken pieces on both sides until golden brown. And then remove the chicken pieces from the pan and set aside. Then you're gonna go ahead and add your onions and saute for about 2 minutes, and proceed by adding your mushrooms and continue to saute for another 2 minutes. Then go ahead with your garlic and ginger paste. Then you're gonna go ahead and season again with the garlic pepper. So this is the only seasoning we're gonna use because it's jam-packed with flavor. And I saw when I was sharing recipes on Facebook, people would complain that there's a lot of ingredients, it's expensive, stuff like that. I was like, okay, let me give people what they want. Let me give them a recipe that uses only one seasoning and just a few ingredients, and I think this is the best one. That and cook for another 3 minutes. Then once your onions are translucent, go ahead and add your flour. We're gonna make a roux and stir in and cook the flour for about 3 to 5 minutes until everything is incorporated. Then you want to go ahead with your chicken stock cube. You can also use the liquid chicken broth. I'm gonna go ahead and add my water. Now you can keep adding water until you're satisfied with the thickness of the sauce, because it's going to thicken as it cooks. Okay, so you can do 1 tablespoon of flour and to 2 to 2 to 3 cups of water, depending on how thick you want your sauce to be. So considering if you're using chicken broth or water, you can absolutely do the same, honey. And then you want to continue stirring that sauce until everything is incorporated, and you can start to see that the sauce is reducing and becoming thick. Then you're gonna go ahead and add your rosemary and thyme. Once your sauce has been cooking for a bit, you can go ahead and put back the chicken pieces to coat in the sauce and cook on medium-low heat for another 45 minutes to an hour until the chicken is done to your liking. Now, I really like my chicken cooked to the bone. So yeah, and also I was really chasing load shedding here. I swear I did this in like an hour. So give yourself time and let the chicken cook. Once you've put back the chicken in the sauce, you're going to baste it on top, and please make sure that you're using medium low heat or low heat, because you want the sauce to cook with the chicken instead of the sauce burning. And just give it time, cook it on low heat, and just make sure to keep checking if the sauce is burning at the bottom. I'm gonna add a little bit more of water, and I'm going to continue to cook my chicken. I added a little bit of water because as the sauce continues to reduce, it's going to be thick, so I'm just giving it some leeway to still be a little bit loose. So you're gonna cover your chicken and let it cook for another 45 minutes to an hour until it's done. At this point, we had load shedding already. As you can see, it's dark, but we did it, honey. Go ahead and garnish with some fresh parsley, and that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. I hope you tried. Please show me some love in the comments, and I will show you back some love, and I will see you on the next one.